This is the new INTEC Colorflare CF350. It's a dual purpose machine that allows you to laminate and foil from one device. Okay, so let's identify some of the key parts on this Colorflare. This is the safety cover, which is opened simply like this and can be removed. This is the paper feed area, and this is the paper guide. These are the heated rollers. Please be careful, in operation it is hot. This is the idle roller, which the laminate or the foil must go round in order to make it smooth before it hits the heated roller. Underneath here we have a cooling zone for foiling, specially designed for foiling to allow us to run higher temperatures and a wider range of media when foiling. Then we have the decurl bar. The decurl bar is only used when laminating. It is not used when foiling. These are our pull rollers, and then your media will exit here. If we're foiling, we use the rewind roller. We'd now like to show you how to use the INTEC CF350 for foiling. This is a dual purpose machine that will laminate and foil. For foiling, the foil is loaded here on this input roller, and any waste foil is recovered on the rewind roller. So firstly, when loading the media, make sure that your decurl bar, which you use for laminating, is in the lowest position because it's not used when foiling. Then make sure the pressure is set to 0, which means that you can load your media. Remove the safety cover. Take a blank sheet of media and feed it above this grey bar and underneath the heated roller. It will appear here. Place it over the decurl bar, unlike laminating where you go between them, and then feed the sheet of paper through your machine and out of the rear. So now we need to load our roll of foil. Simply lift the arm diagonally up and select the colour of foil that you would like to use. Today we're going to use gold. Remove the rubber ring and slide the core holder into your roll. Now simply replace the rubber ring. Make sure the core is tight. If it is not, simply adjust and push. Now load your roll of media back onto your Colorflare. Make sure the media is hanging directly down the back, and then slide it underneath the idle bar. Now simply tape it to the sheet of paper you have already fed in. Now, from the back of the machine, simply pull your roll of gold through the machine. We want to attach our roll of gold media with a bit of tape your foil to the rewind spooler. Frequently used settings can be saved. So for example, foiling is set with a lower temperature normally of 75 degrees and an upper temperature of 125, depending upon the media, and a speed of 1. If we want to save that to job number 2, hold down the memory key for 3 seconds. Now we can use the job selection and we can choose between the different jobs saved. So job 2 gives us 125 degrees on the top roller, 75 on the second roller, and a speed of 1. However, you must also turn on the fans. When you do this, you will be able to hear the fans work. You are now ready to use the machine. So to foil, simply lay your sheets onto the table and press run. Tension can be adjusted by turning the tension dial. When you're ready, simply place your next sheet into your colour flare. INTEC's colour flare uses a special hot toner foil which will bond to toner as it's heated. The more toner you place on your sheet, the better the result that you will get and the wider range of media you can foil. Experiment with the speed and with the pressure in order to get the best results for the widest range of media. Typically speaking, foiling is done at the slowest speed, speed 1. When you're finished, don't forget to press stop and then release the pressure from the rollers and turn off your colour flare device.